Hello guys. Yeah, some I've thought about so many things. My dream never be brave for somebody to create an account, buy data always and follow you. It means a lot. I've thought about so many things. My followers, how you always commenting, how you always saying good things to me on my page. In fact, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. My followers, I'm sorry. I mean me nipa, and I'm sure say the video that even made me respond, no. Fine, I know it didn't go viral, but there are so many things I said. Sometimes one kasa o ma benyini na omo so aba be hu saade no ne dia target. It's something akoswa che. I don't want to explain. I don't want to go with that issue again. I've even forgotten about it. So all I want to say is, if you don't love me, you won't follow me. Yes, me, because me me follow no. So if you don't love me, you won't follow me. If you don't love me, you won't be saying good prayers and good words to my children when I post them. In fact, I have really disrespected my followers today. My nyadie. I have really. Na course I abba me so no. Pennyfo afre me no. I even feel like crying. Me po minim se amount for pemasem sa. Minim se amount for pemasem, but I didn't know it was that deep. Because I abba me so. The people who are disappointed in me, I'm sorry. Say dear, obi come also me come on YouTube no or come no ye me no ko free. Hey, everybody yankopon. Me kasa. I won't say anything. So please, the reason why I came back live is to apologize to my fans. I know you love me and I know you're going to forgive me. I know. On say, the open asem nana the open on no na be oboni. Usha menim kra menu. I'm sorry. Punchline am the man on it. I'm not sorry. The ma can share no bia. I'm not sorry. And I'm a cardian person me can you, but my followers, forgive me what. People are so worried. Oh, the people that just called me this evening cry. Hey, I even feel like putting off my phone. I didn't know. God. I didn't know people. Oh, please don't think about it. Oh, why are you saying you are thinking? I said I'm sorry. I said you are thinking about it. Oh, Mr. Monfanchemi. Oh, X step. I'm sorry. Oh, what do I do for my fans to forgive me? What do I do for you guys? Tell me. Tell me what you want me to do for you. I will gladly do it tomorrow. Yes. But you all know me. Me pe enyema yedi BOAKYE I don't like that. And the thing is, I was social media, and a Tracy BOAKYE dressio, and a Tracy BOAKYE shata de papo, and a Tracy BOAKYE slow. Hey, na me pese me chese mean slay no. Dia me di me sike yeni. My bonnet. Me nya bonnet. And I me mislead young ladies bia. Me mislead. Mimpono. Young girls say follow me in a kind cry. DM. I don't reply them. Because there was a time I gave that chance me manipa ne ben me na me boa no but once omo be ben wo no ma sesa enti me yese sade no me jai enti me kasa general etro bia na wa fa bi obefa fa onfa jai enti whom am I misleading? Whom am I misleading? Mejuma me nyina me digu ha whatever I do, but the thing is, go back to my yes, Koku. She's coming, okay?
She's going to do her hair.
Yes.
No, and she takes her time.
Me old interviews, any bibia, my bia, I always say, oh ye bibia, oh yeah, oh train pana, training your bibi frame. If not, don't do it. I will never stop saying that thing. So if I'm dating somebody, now or talk her mamia, what is wrong with it? And besides, that was what I said. I think it's about a year ago. I said it. Ka mi amato no, mi anamato. Ka mi sweetheart atama me no, or no na ato. But anyway, I'm not here to go back to issues. I am not here to do anything. I am here to apologize to my followers. I mean, why would I obibe follower to be commenting, doing things, and all of a sudden you do this to the person? And I'm penning for, I don't want to mention names, but actresses are frame me, penning for frame me enumerino. I'm sorry, I beg you. But I frame me kwa kasakwa didi matem. Kasa didi matem say wo nim se metimi ayesa or respect me pa. A very big colleague actress. I am sorry. Me pa na cho when filming or cut a line say my disappointing. Ono kwa ka hu bi na masaba life. Oma me feel so bad. But me nipa o. Me nipa o. Nipa da se ni timi so yi kotena TV so be yeme. Wa bra me nye ne hwe. Obey trouble me. I mean, come on. But where's my other phone? Oh, all those phones today, they don't have a. Okay, use okay, go.
Yeah.
Was Jemmy?
Yeah.
More who on only video, no. That's why you are disappointed in me. And I know say baby na kwa mo who on only video na. And still, you tell me to keep quiet. Yes, a video not check, but me I just saw it 3 days ago. Me who that? Me who? And baby, I mean, po margin dano. I am surprised those things came from that woman because she's somebody I really respected. Inti me po minim so obe call low. Ako come ma se mo TV so. No, me minim say your classmate for no na ye bit my ye ho sa. Hey, Insha. But it came as a surprise, it came as an insult. I was like, what is going on? Now my interview, I could say, Tracy BOAKYE, MZBEL say what tough you now we're any more dream hon say. And I'll comment about it. For what? And then you know not only fear no genuine. And to say me see me to Range Rover. I mean, me ya cry me your back. And one say, oh, almost and cry on my body, sir, now bibi, you know. But we find a personal and I was shit to cry with chat to her and oh come on. You don't have to do that. But anyway, me pamacho the court trigger issue ne buy you know. Okay, I'm now seeing love symbols, so intimo de acheme. The court trigger issue ne buy you know. That is what I'm explaining because still now man for didn't see that. I feel I may send the link no man for but me who say who here. My followers me say makoye ni pay there. Hey madam sorry. Oh inshallah. Makoye ni pay there. Me ana me fom. Me ana me entertain mo. Moto metria enyi. So I beg you in the name of God. With the emojis I'm seeing, no dear me who say more they me. But you can see from my face, say me nie wu pa because of my followers. What the mention me. You can see from my face, say I've regretted, but me nipa asem no hye me. So I had to come out and say the best sure no so. Na tika. Me nko kan obi a o. Big actresses in penifo no bi so amobo akutia no. Ho nhia. Me mu ade a madam. Wo de me mu ade no enko kama sem se de be ya me kan. Mo de ahye mutim se me baada ben. E na mafa me ho tan. Wa bra me nya mo hwe. Why? Enti hwan pa na se oba wiase no. Ontwen pena da. Ana hwan na se oba wiase no. Obi nya bibi man da. Onfa boyfriend man nya bibi man da. Mo nyina maye bi. Yen na yeso ye bi. Ye me cry consider myself say me so cry me twam o. Me hu ni say ya Jackson mo ne young girls no. Me hu ni say omko na wo so. De bia me ka Catch Jackson say, Yampo me who say yen no cry, me Tracy BOAKYE no cry, me got 30 years. Me come who say me so me chum. E basa young girl a jenajen ni sa man. Me who say me cry say me nyini because masa wo ba kwa county no. Say mama ya mo na wo so. Ti mama ya mo ya na ye me fe mo ho ye me nika. Na nti mama ye akra kituwa yi. Even mama ya me che no be me ni mama ya age. I think she's even 21 and a baby. Me che mama ya be 8 years, but of friend me ma. Ana mama say wa na mako interview ni akoka say Tracy na mama say wa tade a wo share yi ana oh come on, why would I comment negative about it? Akra no time na aso no oye de ope. It's none of my business. E me mama ya akoka say mama ko interview omo kan ya say mama kan say mpacho akra no me ba no ntibusa me next question. It is there. Enti mumi enyai sa young girl BS so na so obegine ne ho meti wei se me ro me hu naked agina me fie ni mo twa picture. What is your problem? Ubetimi akondem me ubetimi aka eno kwa me hu ni se me followers but so fan personal Kotna TV so yemi you all know mo amahwe video ni nyina you all know say odi matem me pa but as I'm saying no I'm not going back to old issues. I'm not going back to old issues. Kindly forgive me. My fans, my followers. Mon fan me why? Mon fan me. That's how I am. I won't say, hey, I won't say, mentisa, sana metie. Okamia is like man kebia me hon tome. Sana metie. Me fa camera and see me nunca say I'm not like that. Me that's how I am. Sana metie. Intimate one me pa man for honsem ka because me hu ni say sana wo so biati. I love you too. Me hu ni say sana wo so biati. Say in life on sebe obi to one na ho trainer. Nipa ko ho asem hia obi ada. But start say wo ye ne hwe. Start say wo ye. Enya me na my ye na make like I'm talking generally. Start say wo ye ne hwe. That is when ye do beto time kuruwam. Ye be trouble san. They will do anything to bring you down. And you make quite the big actress back who sending me video be says so become here. I should just throw shades. I shouldn't talk back. But I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. My name say Obi coming na. I wish I could just keep quiet. And this video no. MZBEL koye no. Yes, 22nd June or 2nd July no. I'm not focusing me hu na makama no atumo. Inti enra me ye video no. People were calling me say now we Tracy old news when I will respond. No, I'm say old news. Minim say wakotna Kantanka TV 22nd July. Minimo. MZBEL say me educated o. Na Jackie Apia, one of our big actresses, on the kobo ni din ebem. And ye educated. Na Santifo ankasa no, ye brenya ade ya na ye bese ye de to ho. Ewrade Nyankopon. Na nti mabra me aye ma ade no, se sebio, ye kodi mi na minya yo, se me ye adwuma na minya yo. Enya media. Makowia. It's mine.